Hey everybody, Alistair Young here again with Remax and Young Real Estate. I'm so excited to tell you about this amazing house behind me here in Cloverdale. It's got so much you're going to want to check out. Let's take a look inside. So this home is truly an incredible value. There's over $100,000 in updates in and out with this property. Take a look at the kitchen beside me here. You've got new backsplash, cabinets, countertops, lighting, appliances. It's fantastic. And then over in this direction, just continues. New flooring, lighting, in-ceiling speakers. In addition, there's an incredible, large, flat, fenced backyard, and it's a corner lot. So you get the privacy, you get the luxury, you get value that almost nobody else has in this area. So if you want to find out more about this amazing property and maybe book a showing, let me know, give me a call. Alistair with Remax and Young Real Estate.